Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker Chile Verde my way, and I'll be using my 8-quart Ninja Foodi. First, we're going to get started with this bone-in pork butt. Here are the rest of the ingredients that I'll be using. A list will be down below in the description box. First, I'll start by using some kitchen shears to cut the pork into large bite-sized pieces. Now let's season it up. This piece right here is actually the bone with some meat still left around it. I'm actually going to add this to the pot for additional flavor. I decided to grab this cilantro lime seasoning blend and add that as well. Now I'm adding some olive oil to my preheated pot, and I'm going to brown the pork in batches so I don't overcrowd my pot. While the pork was browning, it was time to chop up the veggies. I've got 2 jalapenos, 1 onion, 4 poblano peppers, about 8 cloves of garlic, a couple of limes, and some cilantro. Can't forget to brown the bone. So now that the pork is all brown, it's time to set it to the side and saute the veggies in olive oil. Now I'm going to season the veggies exactly how I seasoned the pork. Here I'm adding in the juice of 1 lime. Now it's time to add in the cilantro, followed by a large can of green enchilada sauce, a can of green chilies, as well as some green salsa and green hot sauce. This is where I just kind of started using whatever I had available to me. Finally, I'm going to add in 2 bay leaves. Now it's time to return the pork to the pot and stir everything together. Here I'm just adding 2 cups of chicken broth. I actually didn't need quite this much, but I wasn't exactly sure how much liquid I would need. I also added the bone back into the pot, and now I'm sealing the pressure cooker, and I'm going to cook on high pressure for 15 minutes, and then I let it do a natural release for 30 minutes. This pork was so tender, the rest of that meat just slid right off the bone. Here I am removing the bay leaves, and then I decided to add in 2 cans of white beans. And now it's time to serve it up. I added some rice, lime, cilantro, and then some diced avocado. So did you like this video recipe? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up and help out my channel, and leave me a comment and let me know if you plan on making this. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you know the next time I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!